Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add Google Forms in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to add the Google form on. Scroll down to the place or the placement you want, or scroll down where you want to add your Google form on. Let's say that I want to add it before this title. Make sure that you are in the Insert tab and scroll down to Forms. Click on it. A new window will slide in. As you can see, this account or this Google account have no Google Forms. To create your forms or to have your Google form showing here, first go to forms.google.com. You will be redirected to docs.google.com. No, it's the same thing. Create or start a new form. You can create a blank form. For this video, I will go with a contact information form. Start designing your form, and when you done designing your form, give it a name. For example, to add in Google Sites, hit enter, or just click anywhere on the screen. Now return to sites.google.com and click again, close the old window and click on Forms. As you can see, my newly created form started showing here. Click on it, then hit insert. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google Sites, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features, like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Click on it, then hit insert. As you can see, the Google form was added instantly. You can resize it like that and make it longer to show all the forms. You can also reorder it or replace it where you want on the screen. Now hit to save your changes, or hit the publish button. Click on it again and let's view this website or this page now. Scroll down to the form, and this is how to add the Google form in Google Sites. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.